This has been a long time coming, and I'm really excited to share it with you. We and my team have been working together for quite a while now on creating this collaboration for you guys. We've seen the need to not only teach you how to build the virtual business, but to help give it to you, to help you perform it and to create it and make it easy, just as easy as possible. So, inside our 12 months together, inside this restoration collaboration, we're going to help you build 3 funnels. Those 3 funnels are going to lead to 3 different programs that we've already created for you. You literally get to just sell one of the programs that we've created. And it's just going to get better as it becomes easier for patients to use and for you to ship directly to their door. So those 3 programs are called the Whole Body Healing Program, the Whole Brain Rejuvenation Program, and the Whole Body Myco Detox. That's a mold program. So I chose these 3 things because 1 of the blood work with the whole body healing, 2 mold, and 3 brain. They're just not places that have been claimed in the business world right now. Like, you think hormones, you think thyroid, those have been completely claimed. So we're going to go after, we're going to claim something new. And because we have a abundance mindset, we're all going to sell these products using these programs, I should say. They're not products, they're programs, using our own unique methods. The method that works for us and works for you, I should say. We're going to help you not only find those methods and teach you what we're doing, but help you create those funnels to make your sales really easy. Can you imagine spending $10,000 in ads and then getting $100,000 or more on the return? Well, it takes some time to get there, but you can get there. In fact, I launched my first attempt at the Whole Body Healing Program a couple months ago. We spent $3,500 in ads and we had $21,000 on the back end return from it just immediately. Now that's the beginning of it, okay? The reason why I share that is because I did a terrible job at that launch. It was not my best workshop. In fact, it was probably one of my worst workshops ever. But I did it anyways, and we learned what we needed to learn so that way we could go back and fix round 2. And we'll learn more on round 2, and then we'll go back and fix round 3. And it will just get better and better and better. Now, I've gotten a funnel so fine-tuned now that we spent $13,000 in Facebook ads and profited we sold, I should say, over $365K from it. $13,000 turned into $365K. Who doesn't want that? Okay. These funnels take time. That's why this program is 12 months. But we have everything you need to help propel that even faster. Inside our collaboration together, we have your dynamite team. We've got 2 experts in the clinical field, Mike Reese and Nicole Lani. She's going to help you with all the nutrition. She's going to go live once a month, and as well as give you nutrition dietary guides throughout the program. Mike is your clinical supplement guru. As you guys all know, Mike Reese is excellent in that field. And then you've got business. I'm going to cover business, marketing, mindset, money, all the things, because I love to talk about that stuff now. I'm getting pretty dang good at it. And then I'm going to bring in my Facebook ads manager. It's very important you have the right person running your Facebook ads. Now, she's not going to run them for you, but she's going to help you do it. In fact, we've got group calls with all 4 of us, 1 each per month. And then you've got a one-on-one 3-hour session with Jen, who is the Facebook ads guru, to help you create your Facebook ads to launch your funnels. All right. Now here's how it's going to work. It is November. And November and December, these 2 months are going to be spent building. Okay, we got to build those funnels. And then in January, when it's prime time, you can hit live and you can go big in 2024. Now, I used to think $1 million years were cool. What about $1 million month? And I'm talking these things that can be accomplished without some giant team. You don't have to have 20 health coaches next to you. You can do it with just you or a few members on your team. Why? Because that's what I want. And that's what I'm going to do and prove that it works. I am proving that it works, honestly. Okay. That's the restoration collaboration. Let's help you build a business of your dreams that's easy, smooth, and brings in money. 'Cause who doesn't want more money? Let's be honest. The more money you have, the more people you can help. I'm Dr. Kylie, and if this restoration collaboration sounds right to you, schedule a call with me and let's make sure it is. See you soon.